What's up with it?
I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
So here I have a full coilover assembly, a bunch of new BC stuff, dust boot, bump stop, fucking spring isolator thingies, spring seat, and then everything else is the same. Only thing that's not BC is these fucking Godspeed springs that I'm gonna be running for now. Let's see how they ride, but I'm definitely gonna get another, couple BCs for the front too. I'm gonna put it all together for y'all. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, so check this out. It's a fucking worm. Start with this and this. So I'm taking Daddy's stuff. He's getting good too. He's figuring out kind of where to put stuff. Like that's basically where that goes. He just put it on there, yeah. Oh yeah, what about you? Hey Lance, you gonna see how I set the preload? Alright, so literally just raise the lower spring seat up until there's just enough room to fit the spanner wrench in between them. Now the preload set. And this coilover is officially finished.